Today I'm using one of my favorite photo transfer methods because it's so fast and it's also quite easy to do. But does it actually produce a good photo transfer? Can something this simple actually turn out that great? That's a good question. I guess I'm about to find out. So yeah, let's start and see what happens. So as you're about to find out, the transfer actually turned out better than I expected. And I'll show you step by step the whole transfer. I'll show you how I created it in just a moment. Because I'm me, I decided to take the finished transfer a little further and add some color to it. Everything is better with some color, right? I received this shimmery watercolor set from Himi to try out. And I thought it would be fun to use it on this photo transfer. Clean water and let's choose the brush. Actually, this paint set came with a brush. It's funny, I just noticed they misspelled the word colors. Himi calls these metallic colors, but they actually have a beautiful shimmer to them and seem to contain very fine glitter. It's probably difficult to see on camera, but in person the colors really catch the light and add a subtle sparkle to the painting. I also like that being watercolors, the shimmer doesn't cover up the transfer, and you can still see all those soft details underneath. Okay, so now let's go back in time and see why I love this transfer method so much. I think it's my second favorite. Well, it's definitely one of my favorite methods to do. So that's all we need for this fast transfer method. But what is it? Do you know? This is a blender marker by Chartpak, and it works because it contains xylene, which is a solvent that reactivates the toner in the laser print and allows it to transfer onto another surface. I tried other blender markers, but that's the only one that worked for me. Now let's choose the photo we are going to use for the transfer. I think I'm going to choose this one. I think it will work really well for this process. Now it's super important to print a photo with a laser printer or make a toner-based photocopy, or else it won't work. And you want to print on standard copy paper, not on photo paper, just on regular printer paper. And by the way, if you have my book, the new mixed media photography book, you'll find this process on page 14. And if you don't have it, what are you waiting for? It's available on Amazon. Don't leave now, wait until this video is over. And then go to Amazon and get your copy. The great thing about the blender pen is that it works on many different surfaces. And today I'm going to transfer my photo onto a beautiful sheet of watercolor paper. Okay, so now everything is ready for our Blender marker photo transfer. We take the laser printed photo and tape it face down so it doesn't move during transfer. I applied the blender marker to a small area on the back of the image until I can see through to the image. I use my scissors to burnish the area where I applied the blender pen, and it will hopefully transfer the image. Yeah, it looks like it's working. In my next video, I'm going to use the same transfer method, but I'm going to transfer onto wood. So make sure you don't miss this video. It's going to be a lot of fun. And these are some of my favorite photo transfer I created using a blender marker, which I then painted by hand. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful in any way. I, of course, enjoyed making it. I always do. So thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for sharing, and most of all, thank you for your time. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Okay. So yeah, let's get the show on the road. I don't know what it means. So now let's go back in time and see why I love this. So this is all we need to get this trust. Where is the blender pen? Definitely one of my very favorite methods to do. Yeah, I said it already. I should try to say it differently. It's definitely one of my eventually I'll be able to say it, yeah. A lot of trials. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I know. Actually, I know. I sure do. Thank you so much for watching the bloopers. Bye, it's time to go now.